Oh, a sailor's life for me, a sailor's life for me. We're off for the day to Briny Bay to see what we can see. Oh, hello there, shipmates. We're off on a day out today, a trip in the bubble train to Briny Bay. Just as soon as Pip and Alba get here, that is.
Uncle Skipper! Uncle Skipper!
Pip ahoy!
We're all set for our day out, Uncle Skipper. I've got my scopy eye to keep a lookout for pirates and stuff.
And I've brought some sandwiches and my bathing suit and water wings and everything.
Then let's get off to meet Mr. Morris and the bubble train. Oh, shoo!
Wow! What was that?
Oh, the weather forecast didn't say anything about harbour-shaking thunder.
It wasn't thunder, Uncle Skipper. I think it was Mr. Morris.
Shoo!
It's Mr. Morris, and it looks like he's in trouble.
Sorry, lads, I don't know what's got into this train today. Shoo!
Oh, this is worse than being in the rubber duck on a stormy sea.
Why are we in the train anyway?
We're having a day out with Pip and Alba. You don't want to miss out on that, do you?
If it means getting off this shaky train, yes.
But then you wouldn't be able to play my shell snap game.
What's the shell snap game?
Well, you each have some shells, and then you put one down. Snap! Ha! I win!
Why?
Because I do. Want to play again?
Hi, Mr. Morris. All set for Briny Bay?
Pip ahoy! Yes, all set and ready. Hatcho! Foister me oysters. That train of yours seems to have a mind of its own. Oh, I'm sorry. I think it must have something to do with these sneezes.
Oh, dear. Have you got a cold, Mr. Morris?
Oh, I don't know, Pip. I was fine this morning. And a beautiful morning it was, too. But nippy, though, so I put on my new scarf. It's lovely, isn't it? Mrs. Twitcher knitted it for me, you see.
Do you think you ought to be driving the train when you keep sneezing?
Well, there's no one else to drive it. Perhaps I should. I'm a dab hand at piloting boats. A train can't be that much harder. Good idea, Skipper. Every time I sneeze, the train goes haywire.
I've had enough. I've heard of being seasick, but never train sick. I think I'll walk to Briny Bay.
You mean hop. And don't forget your snappy shells.
All aboard! Next stop, Briny Bay!
Hooray! Uncle Skipper, do you think Madame Eclair might have something for Mr. Morris's cold?
Good idea, Pip. Let's stop off and ask her.
Oh, what a pleasant surprise.
Have you got any cold remedies, Madame Eclair?
Mr. Morris has a cold. He keeps sneezing. Mais non, I do not keep medicine in my pâtisserie. But my grandma had a recipe that will clear up the most soggy cold.
Oh, what is it?
Do you want a cup of warm milk? Add some butter, some honey,
Shoo!
and 2 pickled onions.
Pickled onions? Oh, no, I can't do that.
Oh, I couldn't either. Blech.
Thank you so much, Madame Eclair, but my sneezes seem to have gone all of a sudden. Shoo!
Oh la la! Morris, you should be more careful when you're driving that train of yours.
Mr. Morris isn't driving. He's got a cold.
Mr. Skipper, you haven't quite got the hang of train driving, have you?
Oh, he has, Mrs. Twitcher. He's a very good driver. It's just that Mr. Morris's sneezes...
Oh dear, you have got the sneezes, haven't you? Still glad to see you're wearing that scarf I knitted you. And I've got just the thing for you then. All we need to do is grease your neck with margarine.
Ugh.
And then you wrap some smelly socks round it. You're in luck. I was just on my way to the laundrette.
In luck, too.
Thank you for that, Mrs. Twitcher. Most kind, but we're in a bit of a hurry. We got a train to catch.
Oh, well, I won't keep you then. Bye. A train to catch? But they're already in a train. A cold, you say, Pip? Well, I've got just the very cure for that. Take 1 lemon, stir in some honey, and add plenty of pepper.
Ooh, that's a lot of pepper, Mrs. Finn.
Oh, to be sure, but that's what gives it its kick.
Here you are, Mr. Morris. 1 cold cure. No smelly socks, just lemon, honey, and...
Pepper chew! Chew!
Help!
Pasty's fallen into the sea!
Oh, maybe a bit too much pepper.
I can't see him anywhere. Quick, Uncle Skipper, get the train going! But we can't leave Pasty.
We're not going to, Alba. We're going to look for him.
In Professor Evie's submarine.
I'll help Mr. Morris find his scarf.
How did you say you got here, Pasty?
I got sneezed out of a train. Hey, this seaweed's comfy. Snap!
No, that's not right.
But Hopper said...
Oh, Hopper, eh? Oh, I expect he just wanted to win. No, you have to find a shell that matches before you can say snap. Snap! I win!
Oh, you're just like Hopper.
Ah, but fair and square this time. My go.
Who's Captain Skipper? And Pip, over here! Make a nice cushion in my house.
How clever of you to bring that seaweed with you. It's an excellent cure for the common cold, Pasty.
I didn't bring it for Mr. Morris. It's my new cushion to sit upon.
But maybe you could give some to Mr. Morris. You don't want to get blown into outer space next time he sneezes.
Where are they? Oh, and about time too. Where have you been?
I've been in Professor Evie's submarine looking for Pasty.
And I found Mr. Morris's scarf. He sneezed it off.
Guess what, Hopper? My seaweed will cure Mr. Morris's cold.
Oh, there's no need for that. I seem to have sneezed my cold right away.
Hooray! Right, Hopper. We can play Shell Snap again. And this time no cheating.
Cheat? Me? Oh, what can you mean?
Shelvis taught me the real rules.
Oh, good.
Here you are, Mr. Morris. Your scarf.
Oh, thank you, Alba. I don't think I need that any more either, but as Mrs. Twitcher knitted it... Achoo!
Oh, get off!
Bless my barnacles. You didn't have a cold after all.
No! Your woolly scarf is tickling your nose. That's what's making you sneeze.
All that sneezing because of a scarf. Achoo! Oh, dear. Oh, a sailor's life for me, a sailor's life for me. The sneezing stopped in Briny Bay, as you can plainly see. Cheerio, landlubbers. Mind how you go, and no sneezing. Until next time, achoo! Oh, now where did I put my margarine and smelly socks?